Hey guys, the Mavic Mini has just been announced. Well, it was announced last week, and my first thoughts were, what the hell? I don't need this. I've already got a Mavic Pro Platinum. I love this guy. This is my favorite drone so far. However, I gotta let you guys know because I've been being asked. I'm being asked by some people, am I getting the new Mavic Mini? And I gotta tell you guys, today, I just decided that I am, and it's for one simple reason only. Every single year, I've been updating my DJI refresh package for my Platinum Mavic Pro, and usually it costs around 130 Australian dollars. It means if I crash this, fingers crossed I don't, or if it gets damaged for me crashing into a tree, or I do something stupid, then or it just breaks down, I guess I got a warranty. It extends my warranty for another year, and it gives me 2 replacements for that $100 fee. So I went in because it was about time to refresh my refresh package. The price of the DJI Mavic Mini, if you haven't heard, it's like 599 Australian dollars. So literally, I can get a Mavic Mini and I can make some money because I can sell this fella on eBay while it's still got that couple of weeks of refresh package left. And I should be happy. So I'm just letting you guys know I am going to be selling this Pro Platinum on eBay very soon, and I'm going to be buying the Mavic Mini. Of course, I'll have a review, and I'll have a complete tutorial setup guide, tell you about all the conditions you need to worry about. One of the things with small ultralight drones, 250 grams, is wind. It depends on how windy your society is. But my society, I live by the beach, it can get very windy, so flying around wind, I assume it's going to be more hazardous. This guy is a beast. He can handle a good amount of wind conditions. He's very solid. You stressed?
This is why you don't fly your drone on a windy day.
Do you see it?
Yeah.
Oh. I do love the Mavic Pro Platinum still, and if you are in the market for a used drone, I still recommend that one. And if you don't care about warranties, then I still recommend that one. But if you're looking for a lightweight drone, this is probably the best one to get. And the good thing about getting a lightweight drone is that it is currently under the 250 gram weight limit. Over here in Australia, if you have a drone that's 250 grams or above, you need to register it. Do a test. Seriously, you should be doing that test anyway, because these drones
Just got stuck in a tree and all the propellers broke.
They are hazardous. If you're just having too much fun with them, you're going to make some mistakes and you could cause some serious damage. So it's best that you just take it safe, take it control. And to be honest, that 250 grams falling from the sky is still going to hurt someone. So I'm not sure about what the law enforcement is. I think it's nice because it reduces the regulations for more people to fly, so it's not frowned upon. But my strategy going forward is I'm going to have this light one. The picture quality isn't going to be as good. It's only 2.7K versus this guy that's 4K. It's more than 1080p, so I'm happy with that. It's kind of like if you got a GoPro, you can imagine the footage difference. But the footage quality is going to be more than good enough for quick and fun situations if you're just out and about. But for serious stuff, like if you're going on a serious destination and you want to, not serious, but like for serious home stuff, then I probably would just wait at the moment until they update their DJI Mavic Pro 3, the third edition, maybe when that one has 4K 60, then I'd probably just have the Mavic Mini and the serious one, and I'm going to get rid of my Pro Platinum. But for now, look forward to that review. I'm going to be finding out if the Mavic Mini can hold up its weight in windy conditions, or just what I'm going to use it for, the distance, all that stuff. I haven't really looked too much about the reviews about it. I just checked one video online just now. It didn't really say much because, you know, it's pre-release. So I don't know if don't know what the deal is, but I'm just letting you guys know it's a really cheap deal. It sounds pretty good. 2.7K is more than good enough. And DJI, they're like the kings of drones. So hopefully it'll be a good one. Are you guys getting the new Mavic Mini? Are you excited? Please, please don't just get it to avoid drone regulations. Take this stuff seriously. Like, just do the test anyway, because yeah, there's some sticky situations you're gonna get into when you fly the drones.
He's got it, yeah. Go on. Who's the man?
All right, that's it. Let me know if you guys out there are going to be getting the Mavic Pro Mini and what the hell you're going to be doing with it. Hope you guys enjoyed the show.
Just me and you, let's make up all the rules. Count to 10 and watch